Great news, folks. We have a healthcare plan right around the corner that is going to save us from the abomination that is Obamacare and hopefully put us on a more affordable path forward that's going to leave no American citizen behind. Of course, none of that is actually going to happen because this alleged plan that's just right around the corner again is coming from Donald Trump and the Republicans. Earlier this week, Donald Trump swore that he was going to unveil a, quote, phenomenal healthcare plan within the next 2 months. In fact, he says, we already got a framework. We've got a couple ideas kicking around, and it's going to knock your frickin' socks off once we finally unveil this to you, but it's not ready yet. Totally not ready. I know Republicans have been bitching and moaning about Obamacare and wanting to repeal and replace it since the year 2010. They've only had 9 years, folks. They need another 2 months to finish it up, right? It's utter nonsense. Republicans are not going to come up with a healthcare plan. We have been hearing this same song for 2.5 years. They had the White House, they had the House, they had the Senate, they have the Supreme Court, they have the courts all across the country. And they still couldn't do a damn thing. And why is that? Because Republicans have no new ideas. Haven't had one since 1980, actually. Every policy they have pushed forth since then has just been some kind of reiteration of the ideas they came up with in 1980 and 1981 under Ronald Reagan. It's been the greatest hits of the GOP ever since. Nothing new, just the same old song on repeat ad nauseum. But here is what Donald Trump specifically said. This is part of his ABC interview with Stephanopoulos. He said, if we win back the House, we're going to produce phenomenal health care. And we already have the concept of the plan. Hold up. So you have a concept of a plan. So it's not even a concept of how healthcare is going to work. You have a concept of a plan. And then the plan is going to give us the health care. Good God. But it'll be less expensive than Obamacare by a lot. And it'll be much better healthcare. So he has no specifics for us, right? It's just going to be phenomenal. It's going to be better. It's going to cost less. And we have a concept of a plan that may or may not give people healthcare here in the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, stop listening to this man. Stop listening to the crazy talk coming out of the president's mouth, coming out of any Republican's mouths about the issue of healthcare. They have had more than enough time. They have had the supermajorities to get crap done, and they failed every single time because they're not serious about this issue. And if they did come up with a plan, as we did kind of see one time, it's going to be something that actually screws over more American citizens than it helps. They want to kick people off insurance. They want to take away protections for pre-existing conditions. They don't want to lower prescription drug prices. The only solution to the healthcare problem here in the United States today is Medicare for all. That's it. We have to get to that point. And I can promise you, neither Donald Trump or any member of the Republican Party are going to be the ones to get us there. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And now you can also become a member of Ring of Fire and get exclusive early access to certain Ring of Fire videos all throughout the week. Just click on the little join button right below the video.